Hi, it's Kay with Modest Me Designs. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do some more decorating in the kitchen, trying to get ready for the holidays. So right now I've got a ton of things spread out on the island, and I'm going to pull it all together and try to make this look a little more festive. All right, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is cover up this reflection of light so it doesn't drive you crazy the entire video. And then we're going to mosey on back over to the other side. And everything on here has been clean, but I want to go over the countertop one more time because it's the things I've been gathering. You know, I'm still unpacking, so I've been gathering things for a few days, and I know there's probably some dust up here now. So I'm going to just wipe this down real quick, and then we'll get started. For those of you who don't know, we just moved into this home about a month ago. And so I'm still unpacking boxes, trying to find my Christmas decor, but slowly but surely we're getting it together. All right, I had to grab some lotion because the hands have been looking a little rough. But we're going to get started with this Apothecary jar. The colors I've chosen because the home has so many different colors and my furnishings have different colors and nothing is kind of coordinated yet. I have chosen silver and gold. I wanted to do something very basic and with white, and then I wanted to add a pop of this green so it'd have a pop of color but nothing too contrasting, because you'll see in some of my videos the kitchen has wallpaper and it's pretty loud, so didn't want too many loud colors to fight with that. All right, so next we're going to start putting these ornaments in this Apothecary jar. So I just simply begin placing the ornaments in the jar. I tend to like the tips of the ornaments facing in so you can't see them, so it just looks like a bunch of balls in the jar. And I'm just going to intermix them with, so that hopefully no two colors or the same color isn't, you know, just adjacent to each other. Trying to just mix it up a little bit. And then once we get them all in, we're going to lay in a little bit of snow and add a little angel on top. Then my next step is to add some fairy lights, just to give it a little twinkle, a little blinking, so it won't look so just dull. Just add a little bit of twinkle in there with the lighting to give it a nice little special effect. So the next thing I'm going to do is add some snow right in the center of these ornaments, and then I'm going to sit an angel there in the center, and I could not get her to balance, so she had to come out. I was trying to balance her on that battery pack, but it didn't work, and I was afraid she would tip over and crack the jar because she's pretty heavy. So I found another brass angel so she would fit the color scheme, and she laid right on in there perfectly, and she sat in there perfectly. I wrapped some more of the lights around her and put the top on, and then that just kind of locked her in place so that she couldn't fall over. Next thing I'm going to do is take some more of the snow and spread it around the bottom so that I can cover my Lazy Susan, because it doesn't really fit with the style that I'm going for. So covering it up, I covered it up and added a few berries just to give it a little touch of color. Up on the housetop, And so here it is, my apothecary jar, decked out for the holidays. And my angel is fitting in there nice and snug. And I love the little bit of lighting that's in there. It would be really nice when you turn the lights off in the kitchen at the end of the evening. And the lights have a timer, so it's great. I won't have to keep going back and forth inside of that dish to turn them on. Well, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And if you're not a member of the family, consider subscribing and ringing the bell so you'll be notified when new videos are released. In my next video, I'll be doing some more decor for the kitchen, and then after that, we'll be decorating the tree, and you don't want to miss that. Again, I hope you enjoyed the video. I thank you for spending this time with me, and I'll be talking with you again real soon.